To add the data source in Looker Studio, follow these steps. Open Looker Studio, log in, visit datastudio.google.com and sign in using your Google account. Create or open a report. Select an existing report or start a new one where you want to connect your data source. Add the data source. Select data source. From the top menu, click Add Data or click the Resource tab and select Manage Edit Data Sources. Add a data source. This opens the Data Source Explorer window. Choose Data Source Type. Looker Studio supports a variety of data sources like Google Sheets, BigQuery, Google Analytics, MySQL, and more. Search for or scroll through the options and select the one that matches your data. Connect the data source. Authorize the connection. If necessary, authenticate and authorize access to the selected data source by signing in with relevant credentials. Select specific data. Once connected, you may need to select specific tables, datasets, or views to pull into the report. Finalize and add data. Add to report. After connecting, click Add to bring the data into your report. Start using data. You can now use fields from the data source to create charts, tables, and other visualizations.